Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of February 11th, 2014, close to Valentine's Day. Don't forget guys, all the charts we look at come from the Trade Navigator software, and we're looking at a weekly bond market chart here where bonds went way up after the employment report last Friday and then came crashing down. Let me say up front, I really don't understand the reaction to the employment report in all of the financial markets. I don't understand how they're spinning it, but regardless, I really thought they were going to hold right around the green line here, which is the 133 area, and you can see they've been kind of down below that, but they are kind of hanging around it, so they might still hold it and start back up. If not, they've got support down here roughly between 132 even and 131.24. That's the lower moving average and the projected low here. I wouldn't expect a complete break of that, although I gotta say, even if they break down and go back to the highs of this congestion area here, they'd still look pretty good. The resistance begins at the upper moving average around 134.02. I think it's just above 134. But of course, they could still be going up to the old high there from last week. I really think this is a good-looking market. I think they're just kind of backing off for a minute, but they may be geared toward what stocks are doing. And what stocks are doing is very surprising. The 1785 area here, I really didn't expect that to hold as support this week, but it certainly has. And they're already up here to what I thought was the resistance in the 1815 area. They've done this awfully quickly. Coming off this low and up to here, the last 4 days have been an incredibly relentless rally. They might be a little ahead of themselves. Wouldn't surprise me if they back off from here. The support that I thought they would get to this week is around 1758. So maybe they're just dyslexic and held 85 instead. One thing to look for here, with this much momentum, gosh, they could be up here into the 1830 area and could be right up to the highs and even up to new highs. So I don't want to suggest that I'm limiting the upside potential here. But I am watching closely to see if they turn down without making new highs, because if they turn this into a swing high, or maybe next week, however, they turn this into a swing high that does not get as high as the previous high, that'll be the first one in a long time and might very well indicate that the entire trend of the market has changed, and I mean in a big way. So that's what we're looking at today. Hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into. Thanks for checking in to see what we think.